lagi. Mabagal daw. Naglalag. You know guys, nag-live talaga ako kasi sana yung Wednesday nakikita kayo. But today, I am not in Korea, in the Philippines. Yeah, we are in the Philippines.
Yay!
Easy. Oh, easy daw.
Ay,
Wait, feeling ko tayo matatanggal. Matatanggal kaya? Feeling ko mawawala. Sweet Venom? Ah, sweet Venom. Akala ko Pink Venom. Sweet Venom. Try muna natin Horizon para safe.
Okay.
Ano, Lucky.
So, lucky.
Lucky.
Mapawisan tayo kasi. Alam mo nakakapawis, next na yun.
Simula. Binibirit ko na lang, hindi ko na matanda yung dance break.
Lucky.
Gusto mo live? Gusto mo instrumental? Mag-live vocals?
Wow.
Live vocal practice?
Ganda kami sa Dreammaker. Yun ang natara sa purpose.
Papa said it on. Let's turn 97 on.
Yes! Thank you so much. This is free motion.
This has been free motion. May tubig. May tubig? Oh, thank you for bringing. Naglalaro yung ibang members. Sige, shout out natin sila. Shout out sa'yo kung Horizon member ka, pumunta ka dito.
Shout out.
Shout out. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, that really helped me sweat a lot. I love it. Hi, shout out. Where are you guys from? We are from the Philippines. I'm from the moon. There. Show the moon. Ay, ako pala. Oh, yun, Giselle. I'm from the heart. So excited for SM Dasma. We are too. See you guys there. See you there. I'm from Bataan. Hello. Dash, please. Oh, Dash. Okay, I like Dash. But wait a minute. 1 minute. Hi from Cubao. Hello, Cubao people. See you sa Iloilo. Yes, we're going to do a flash mob in Iloilo. So, please be there. Sheesh! 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 Do you know sheesh?
Hindi ko bisado. Ano lang? Yung nakikita ko.
Ang gumigal niya. Let's go again. Let's go. I'm from Cagayan.